Hello and Happy New Year. Thanks a lot for watching my channel in 2023. Here's a slideshow of all my builds from this past year. All of them are video builds as well, so if you missed the video or if you just want to watch it again, all the links are in the description down below. If you have a personal favourite, let me know down in the comments, but to finish, here are my top 5 of the year. In 5th, it's the Revell DB5, a fun kit. 4th, the Thunderbird 2 and 4 from AIP. 3rd, it's my custom F1 1/43 diorama. 2nd, it's the Audi A4 Quattro from Nunu. And my top kit of the year is the Sierra 4x4 Cosworth from D Model Kits. What do you think? What was your personal favourite build of 2023? Let me know in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you again in 2024. Thanks a lot for watching.